Hi, I'm here to talk a few words about Ruh. So to begin with, I'm a happy parent of Ruh. We've both the children are in Ruh. My older one is 5 and he's a DY2, and my younger one is 2 and she's into the parent daughter program. So to start off, let me talk about few experiences of my older one first. He's 5 and it's been his first school experience. So initial stages of settling, separation, anxiety, we had all that. But the way Ruh took it forward, the positive approach that they took it, and the affirmation that they gave for the parents, it was amazing, and it was so smooth that we did not even feel that our child is having all the separation anxiety and everything, because they always comforted them. So as a parent, I always believe learning happens only when the child is happy in an environment. Ruh equally believes in that as well. So they first see that the child is settled, only then the learning starts. And best part of Ruh is it's not more of a mass approach. It's more of an individualistic approach. I think it is what is needed for this generation kid. So each child is unique and their speed is learning, the ways that they understand each is different. So Ruh understands that at its best. And finally, I should definitely talk about the pillar of Ruh. It is Risha. It's all her visions and dreams that she's put into reality. I know it's not at all easy to put all her dreams into reality, but she's done an excellent job. So I would proudly say we are the first batch of parents at Ruh. We are hoping to grow with Ruh, and we are happy to be a part of SSAM as well. Thank you.